Hi guys! So, maghanap tayo ng pwedeng taga saan ka? Meron akong tanong sa'yo. Pag nasagutan mo, may prize ka sa akin. Wait lang. First question is... Wait. What is the capital city of Australia? What is the capital city of Australia? Emeka be.
Oo nga, parang yung yung naghahang, ganon.
Like that? Hindi siya naglalag.
Imagine that you have this.
Hi! May tanong ako. Pwede?
That you could never.
May tanong po ako. Can I ask you something, ate? Nakoy pangutana, te. Nakoy pangutana.
Ano po?
What is the chemical symbol for gold?
Bakit?
Just answer it po. Just,
Ano yan?
what is the chemical symbol for gold?
What chemicals symbol for gold? Mercury?
Wrong. It's AU. What is the symbol of AU? Gold. What is the symbol of water?
Mama, I think it's eating chips. Can I eat my chips?
Sister.
Can I eat,
What is the symbol of water?
can I eat my chips?
Water. Oh. Oxygen. Magulo na ako. It's you. It's O. Oh, it's O yata. It's O.
Wrong. H2O.
Oh, it's 2O. Yeah.
Okay, last one. What is the chemical symbol of potassium?
P. Ay, K.
Very good. Wow, nice one. Thank you.
Thank you.